Latching overhead bins, fastening seatbelts, and repeating gestures toward emergency exits and inflatable vests are what typically come to mind when thinking about airplane safety. These are all measures employed by airlines in an attempt to keep their passengers safe. In Boyette versus Trans World Airlines Incorporated, we'll explore whether airlines have a duty to their passengers once they're on the ground and in the terminal. Joseph Rutherford was on a business trip and had 2 alcoholic drinks before boarding his Trans World Airlines flight in Memphis, Tennessee, with 3 coworkers. During a ground delay and the duration of the flight, Rutherford drank 6 additional alcoholic beverages, serviced by the only flight attendant. When the plane arrived at its destination, all the passengers deplaned onto the tarmac. There, Rutherford went under a yellow rope and climbed onto an unattended luggage tug. Airport security was called but canceled when Rutherford hopped off the tug and entered the terminal. On his way to his gate, Rutherford stole a golf cart and began driving around the gate. One of the gate agents chased Rutherford on foot and eventually cornered him in an alcove, but then couldn't find Rutherford there. By this point, Chris Traylor, one of Rutherford's friends and coworkers, had caught up to the gate agent, who told him that Rutherford would go to jail. Several minutes later, Traylor located Rutherford in an unlocked cleaning room and helped hoist him up into the trash chute to hide. Unfortunately, Rutherford climbed in too far and fell 10 feet to the trash compactor below, injuring himself. Traylor alerted airport police and other employees, who contacted emergency personnel and ran to try to reach Rutherford. When the beam from the compactor's eye was blocked for more than 8 seconds, it automatically began to compact. 1 minute after Traylor had alerted the authorities, the compactor began to operate. Airport employees searched for a deactivation switch, but Rutherford was, quote, compacted, unquote. Emergency personnel found the switch 4 minutes later. Rutherford was pronounced dead upon arrival at the hospital. Rutherford's mother, Patricia Boyette, filed a wrongful death action against the airline, claiming that it was negligent for chasing Rutherford around the airport and for failing to take necessary steps to ensure his safety once he was discovered in the trash compactor. The trial court granted Trans World's motion for summary judgment. Boyette appealed to the Missouri Court of Appeals.